You get so much bang for your buck with ClinicSense. I have multiple therapists working with me, and still the pricing is great. The customer service is great, very responsive, very timely. I really like the use of Square and how it integrates really seamlessly with QuickBooks. I like how you can manipulate the intake form to meet your individualized needs. And they're constantly updating and improving the system to just make it even better, more intuitive. Yeah, nothing but good things to say. I'm Danelle, and I'm a massage therapist in Cleveland, Ohio. I was looking for a client record management system that would be user-friendly and I could get rid of all of my paper. I'm currently moving my business, and so I was shopping around a little bit, and I'm going to stick with ClinicSense. What you get for the cost is tremendous. So I highly recommend. And if you had any doubts or were looking at other systems, rest assured you've made a good choice with ClinicSense.